While creating material, we need to define its base unit of measure. Material stocks are managed and all material data is updated using this unit. The system converts all quantities entered in other units to the base unit. Let's create material record for a bicycle bell. It is a trading good and the base unit of measure is piece. After going to additional data of material master, we can maintain alternative units of measure. These are all units of measure other than the base one. We want to define that a carton of bells contains 20 pieces and the pallet contains 1000 bells. We must simply add the alternative units and the conversion factor. Watch my next videos to deep dive into Material Master mysteries.